Welcome back. In this video, we'll show you how to delete multiple comments on Instagram. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're in the app, locate your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Step 3. On your profile page, you'll see 3 lines at the top. These lines represent the menu options. Tap on them to open the menu. Step 4. In the menu, scroll down until you find Your Activity. Tap on it to continue. Step 5. Within Your Activity, you'll come across Interactions. Tap on it to access your interaction history. Step 6. Now, look for the Comments section and tap on it. This will display all the comments you've made on Instagram. Step 7. At the top, you'll see a Select option. Tap on it to enter the selection mode. Step 8. Next to each comment, you'll find a small circle. Tap on the circles next to the comments you'd like to delete. Step 9. If you want to filter your comments before making your choices, tap on Sort and Filter in the top right corner. Select your preferred filter options and tap Apply to implement the changes. Step 10. Once you've made your selections, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Delete. This will initiate the deletion process. Step 11. To confirm the deletion, tap on Delete again. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted multiple comments you've made on Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.